The sum of three consecutive even integers is 36. So, even integer is given by 2x, because if x is odd or even, when I multiply by 2, I guarantee that is an even integer. So, 3 consecutive, the first one is 2x, the next one is 2x plus 2, the next one is 2x plus 4, is 36. What is the value of the largest integer? So, 2x plus 4, what is the value? 2x, 4x, 6x. 2 plus 4 is 6. 36 minus 6, 30. X is equal 5. 2 times 5 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is 14.